As the demand for cozy, low-maintenance heating grows,
Electric fireplaces are becoming a favorite for homeowners. Much like the rising popularity of mechanical keyboards for typists and gamers,
prized for their precision, build, and value,
electric fireplaces offer warmth.
List number: Modern Ember Vibrant 72-inch Smart Linear Electric Fireplace Insert, recessed in wall and wall mount.
The Modern Ember Vibrant 72-inch is a showstopper for modern homes.
Its ultra-wide, linear design stretches across your wall, creating a striking focal point. You can install it recessed or wall-mounted, making it versatile for different spaces. With Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with smart assistants like Alexa and Google Home, you can control it hands-free. Its realistic flame effects in multiple colors enhance ambiance while its powerful heater efficiently warms. List number: Modern Ember Vibrant 72-inch Smart Linear Electric Fireplace Insert, recessed in wall and wall mount, repeated as per your list, adding a different angle. The Modern Ember Vibrant 72-inch also excels in ease of use and customizable ambience. With adjustable flame brightness, ember bed color options, and a built-in timer, you can tailor the experience to your mood. The sleek touch panel and included remote provide intuitive controls. List number: Real Flame Silverton 48 Electric Fireplace with Mantel for living room or bedroom. Replaceable fireplace. For those who love a traditional look, the Real Flame Silverton delivers charm and functionality. At 48 inches, it features a classic mantel in a white finish that complements both modern and rustic interiors. The included firebox produces a warm, flickering flame effect with adjustable brightness and heat settings. One standout feature is its replaceable firebox, extending its life and reducing long-term costs. List 4. OKD 52 Electric Fireplace with Mantel, freestanding fireplace heater TV stand with 36-inch three-side glass insert. This clever 52-inch OKD model doubles as a fireplace and TV stand, making it perfect for small apartments or multi-purpose spaces. Its freestanding design requires no wall modifications, and it supports TVs up to 60 inches. The 36-inch insert features a three-sided glass design for panoramic flame views, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. It has adjustable heat and flame settings, storage shelves for media components. List number: Westinghouse 60-inch electric fireplace heater, compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Wall mount or in-wall, Westinghouse 60-inch electric fireplace offers a balance of size, tech, and elegance. It can be wall-mounted or recessed, providing installation flexibility. Voice control via Alexa or Google Home lets you adjust the heat and flame effects effortlessly. It also offers adjustable flame colors and brightness levels to set the perfect mood. With quiet operation, a powerful heater, and modern black finish,